Today's topic is halogen derivative. Halogen derivative is formed from the hydrocarbon. Basically, the parent compound of halogen derivative is hydrocarbon. Now, how we are getting the halogen derivative from hydrocarbon? We'll see from this reaction. Now, this is the hydrocarbon. What is the name of this compound? Methane. But this is the hydrocarbon because compound which is formed from the carbon and hydrogen only. So, this is the hydrocarbon. Now, from this structure, if one of the hydrogen is replaced by halogen atom, then we are getting this structure, that is the CH3X. This is called then halogen derivative. Where X may be chloride, may be bromide, may be iodide. Now we'll see the halogen derivative are prepared, are formed from the hydrocarbon. Now we'll see the classification of halogen derivative. Now classification of halogen derivative are also classified into two ways. First way is the attachment of halogen atoms on the carbon skeleton, means on the basis of attachment of halogen, means we can this classification is based on the attachment of halogen on carbon skeleton. Now, carbon skeleton means whether it is alkane, whether it is alkene, whether it is alkynes, or whether it is arenes. Okay, so for example, now we will see about the structure of this is so this is haloalkanes. What is the name of this compound? This is haloalkane because halogen atoms is attached to the alkane compound. So this is a halogen and this is a alkane. Now this is a haloalkane. We'll see the structure of haloalkane. What is the structure of alkane? CH2 double bond CH2. So this is alkene. Now out of these two hydrogen, one hydrogen is replaced by one halogen atom. Means this out of two, only single one hydrogen atom is present in that structure and another bond is attached by halogen. So this is the haloalkene. What is the name of this compound? This is a haloalkene. Now alkynes. Alkynes. What is the structure of alkynes? CH triple bond CH. Now one of the hydrogen is replaced by corresponding number of halogen atom. Means these hydrogen are replaced by one halogen atom. Halogen may be chloride, may be bromide, may be iodide. So this structure is called then haloarenes. Haloalkynes, not arenes, it is haloalkynes. Now if we consider the arene and halogen is attached to that structure, then this compound is called as an haloarenes. So classification of halogen derivative is based on the attachment of halogen on carbon skeleton, whether the carbon skeleton in particular structure is alkane, alkene, alkynes or arenes. On the basis of this, we can name that particular structure is haloalkane, haloalkene, haloalkynes and haloarenes. Now we'll see the second classification. Now second classification of halogen derivative are based on the number of halogen atoms present in particular structure. Means each based on the number of halogen atoms present in the structure. Examples are, and also on the basis of number of halogen, these are classified as monohalogen derivative, monohalogen, bihalogen, trihalogen, and tetra means we can consider this in polyhalogen derivative. Polyhalogen derivatives. Now we'll see the structure. CH3, CH2, Cl means X. We consider the general halogen X. X may be chlorine, bromine, iodine. So in this structure, how many halogen atoms are present? Single one halogen atoms are present in a carbon skeleton. So this example will come under the category of monohalogen derivative. Now we will write this name. Now what about bar? Means two halogen atoms are there. We can see on the basis of their name also CH3, CH, one X, this X, also another X, and this are hydrogen. So now in this structure, two halogen atoms are present in a particular structure. So this structure will come under the category of bihalogen derivative. Now for trihalogen also. Now in place of bihalogen, there are also one of the possibilities that these two halogen atoms can be present in the adjacent carbon atom also, or in the same carbon atom also. So this will be the X, this will be the X. So another bond is occupied by hydrogen. Now see, in both the structures, here also two halogen atoms, here also two halogen atoms. But what is the difference? Two halogen atoms are present in adjacent, two halogen atoms are present in same carbon atom. So both the structures belongs to bihalogen derivative. Now trihalogen derivative, we'll see the structure of that also. Three halogen atoms are present. Now here also, if aromatic we will consider, then also three halogen can be present. So these two, such type of examples will come under the category of trihalogen derivative. In polyhalogen derivative, we already know about this. If both valency are occupied by halogen, that is a carbon tetrachloride, where all four halogen atoms are attached to the carbon atom. So this is the polyhalogen derivative. Now, classification of monohalogen compounds. This classification is based on the position of halogen atom and the type of hybridization of carbon atom to which that halogen atom is attached. Now again it is classified into subcategories. We will see about that category. First one is alkyl halides. This is also called as haloalkenes. Here halogen atom. Alkyl halides means halogen containing compounds. Halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Again it is classified into three categories: primary, secondary and tertiary. Here in all three structures, halogen atom is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. but we'll see the position of that halogen. Now here this halogen atom is attached to the first carbon atom, and hence it is called as primary or 1 degree alkyl halide. Here this halogen atom is attached to secondary carbon atom, and why it is a secondary? Because this carbon atom is attached to adjacent two different carbon atom, because R will also the carbon and this is already a carbon, so two different carbon atoms. This is secondary carbon atom and halogen is attached to secondary carbon atom, hence it is called as secondary alkyl halide. Now here halogen is attached to the tertiary carbon atom. Tertiary carbon atom is that carbon atom which is attached to the three different carbon atoms. So this is a tertiary carbon atom, and hence that halide is called as tertiary alkyl halides. Now second classification is allylic halides. Here also halogen atom is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, but in allylic group. Now what is the allylic group? CH3 double bond CH CH2. This is the allylic group, and to that group halogen is attached. So this is the allylic halides, and this one is the allylic group. Now third one classification. Now third classification is benzylic halide. Here the halogen atom is attached to the sp3 carbon atom, and which is also attached to the aromatic ring. You can see from the structures here halogen atom is also attached to the sp3. This is our sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and which is also attached to the aromatic ring, and hence that compound belongs to the category of benzylic halide. Now fourth classification is vinyl halide. Now vinyl halide means vinylic group. Halogen atom is attached to the vinyl group. What is the vinyl group? CH3 double bond CHX. This will be the structure of vinyl group. This is the vinyl group. And halogen atom is attached to the vinyl group. Here you can see this carbon atom where the halogen is attached. This carbon atom is undergo sp2 type of hybridization. In rest of the other three structure, whatever we saw in previous time, these carbon atom undergo sp3 type of hybridization. But here from vinyl, halogen atom is attached to that carbon atom which is undergo sp2 type of hybridization, and hence it is a vinyl halide. Now next structure is haloalkynes. Alkynes. What is the structure of alkynes? CH triple bond CH. Now this hydrogen atom suppose is replaced by halogen atom, means this is removed, and in place of this suppose halogen atom is entered, then that compound is also called as haloalkynes. This is our haloalkynes because halogen atom is attached to the alkyne group. This is our alkyne group. Alkynes. Alkyne. Now next one is haloarenes. Here halogen atom is attached to arene. Arene means simple aromatic compound. This is the example of haloarenes. Now you can see what is the difference in these two structures. Here halogen atom is attached to that carbon atom which is attached to the benzene ring, and here halogen atom is directly attached to the benzene ring. There is no in between these two, there is another carbon atom is totally upset. So that is the structure in benzylic group and haloarenes. Both are aromatic.